tell us how this avoidance robot works here.
So it has a light sensor, and it will use two ultrasonic sensors to see the object, and it's pretty simple. As you're gonna need to place it half on the line, and if it goes too much on the black, it will go left. If there's too much white, it will go back to the right. And that is the line follower.
Yeah, let's look at the code here. Okay, all kinds of good stuff. I'm not going to probably be able to understand all that all at once. But here, pick it up and just put an obstacle in front of us and just kind of walk us through what's happening while it's happening.
Okay, so the code runs, the line follower activates. If it sees something, it will turn left at a certain degree. It will align itself to yaw 0, go forward 12 centimeters. If the right sensor sees something, it will go forward, and if it doesn't, it'll just keep going, and then it goes right again. But don't overshoot it, or it won't see the line. It will align itself back to yaw 0, and then will reactivate the line follower.
Awesome. All right, good job. Thumbs up.